Hey guys, welcome back to Shane and Alicia. Today, you are going to be viewing, by the title, the kids feeding birds. There's quite a few seagulls. No, we don't live by the ocean. I think they just migrate here, but we've got a lot of seagulls. And there might be some ducks, geese. So if you like that type of thing, just follow along. Here we go. Alright guys, look at Bo. I've got him here. I decided not to put him in his carrier, but watch him. He's watching the birds. See, the birds are right there. Look, watch him. He's like, he wants to be down. He's like shaking. Do you see the birds? Huh? You want to chase those birds, don't you? I can't let you down. Oh, look at Ziva. Hold on. I gotta wrap him up better. Because he wants to chase him and I don't have his leash. Look at these little black ducks.
Look at these gooses. Hey, goose. Yeah, let's just get that. A goose picked a goose. Oh yeah, Mom, I fell halfway down the tree.
You did? Are you okay? You landed in a thorn bush? Dang, you're strong.
Mom,
Hi, I hear you. I hear you.
Mom,
Oh, look at that geese.
this piece of bread, I'm going to throw it up, watch. He's going to catch it.
Ah! Do it again and let me see.
Yeah, Mom, look. There. Oh, yeah. Mom, is he yeah, he wants it.
Look at these little black ducks.
I don't know.
They're so pretty. I bet you they grow up and they turn like, I bet, do they, do you think that they stay black, pure black, or do they change colors? Never seen so many. The sparkling water reminds me of Ariel coming out of the water.
Oh my God. Holy crap.
Careful. Careful, Byron. Don't hit the goose. Don't throw it hard like that. Why are you doing that?
I'm gonna go to the savannah. I got a banana. Mom.
Do you hear the sound they're making?
Mom, I'm gonna go to They're making a savannah.
Your friend?
He's on my bus. Oh yeah, she's on our bus.
How much bread's left? Okay. Okay, so. Isn't that pretty? Look how many birds are just around everywhere. He is like on point. He wants those birds. Look, do you see him shaking? That's not the wind. That's him shaking because he wants to like bolt out of my arms. He's like, why are you putting me through this torture? Okay. Now we're gathering a pile of birds over here. I don't want any, babe.
I'll eat it.
I thought you were gonna get a thing of birds over here.
Okay, Mom. Get it, birdies. Get it, birdies.
You can't just throw it when there's no birds.
There you go, buddy.
Oh, do it again.
Buddy.
Something's clucking over here.
Wait, no. Here. They can have that. You can have that. Go give this to Byron. And then here. Here's one of those. Use it wisely. And go give this to Byron. Byron!
Oh, we're all zoomed in. Looks like a bunch of people come down here after school to feed the birds. There's a couple schools nearby. He wants the pigeons so bad. He wants any of the birds. Any of them.
Oh my god, your dog is adorable.
Thank you.
I like your doggy.
Hi. Hey, where are you going?
Look at those legs. Look at their legs. Yeah, their legs are so unique and weird.
Oh, that's a good idea. Oatmeal.
If you look at their legs really close, they look unique and weird.
Yeah, they do. They look different colored, huh?
Yeah. You see, like one of the gooses are like losing their leg. Go crazy!
That's really cool.
The bread. They don't eat them. Oh!
Isn't it so pretty? Look at these freaking colors of these ducks. Beautiful.
You're cute.
All right, how much bread we got? Oh, and then there's a waterfall. It used to change colors at night, but all the birds just decided to fly away. Well, anyways, the kids are just about ready. Hey, how much bread do you got left?
Those are males, and I believe.
Let me see. How much bread? Oh, you want to see? This much? We're right in the sun behind us. See the sun? Look at how pretty it is.
I don't like it.
You don't like the sun? Oh, there it is. Look. How about we face this way? Oh, try to feed it with your fingers.
No.
Yeah.
You can feed these ones with your fingers.
See how close you can get. Just hold it down there.
Mom, look.
It'll come. Just
Come here. Mom, look. Mom.
get down on your knees.
Look, Mom.
There you go.
Over here.
Careful. Just stay there. It'll come. Here, I'll throw some of this oats over here. So they'll come. Yeah, see, they're coming now.
More bready. More bread. Okay, close and get it. Kristen!
You can feed it with your fingers.
I got scared. How much more bread?
They don't have teeth. He's a big guy, huh?
Yeah. He's missing a foot. Look.
Oh no, he is missing a foot. We are out of bread, and these are beautiful. They're so, it's so peaceful and stress-free to come down to the lake one of our lakes. It's, well, right now it's not full of algae, but usually this lake is completely green. People boat, they canoe, there's a rowing team. Actually, this building behind me, that's where like the rowboats and stuff are at for like our community and those types of groups. Okay, so like I was saying, and it's just really nice to get out of the house, even just for the 20-30 minutes that it was. So my original plan was to leave the house, go pick up the kids across town, and then, let me see. The kids are running around being, getting out, the kids are running around like wasting that little extra bit of energy they have from after school. Bo is very curious. There he is. He gets his hair cut on Monday, which is, it's Thursday today. So he gets his hair cut on Monday, and we'll probably do a vlog on my personal channel for that. And yeah. So I hoped you, this is one of the shorter vlogs. I hoped you liked feeding the ducks with us. Like I was saying, it's just, you know, a simple way that you can get some air, the kids can run. Yes, they've been at school all day, but they've also been inside all day, and so have I. So just to get that little bit of fresh air, and, you know, not throw away bread. But that's it for the vlog, so I'm gonna leave it at that. And like I said, never. But like I said, thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. Hope you enjoyed the ducks. There was some really actually beautiful mallards. Like those green heads of theirs are like, it's like the peacock feathers, the green teal peacock feathers. Like, they're beautiful. Anyhow, that's gonna be it for this vlog. And if you haven't already, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, turn on all post notifications, a little bell, and then you just comment done, D-O-N-E. You just have to.
Can I go to the train over there? Can I take Martin and Ziva to the train?
Yeah, and I'll drive down there to pick you up.
With our friends, with Savannah. Her friends.
No, we're leaving. So are they leaving too?
No.
Well, we're leaving. We still gotta go and get dinner.
Alright, I'll bring the last of the bread because we have a lot.
I thought that was it. Okay. I guess we still have a whole freaking basically loaf of bread. But that's okay, because I have to record another clip for a video that I'm doing that either in one hand it could be, well, in one hand it's a shitty video, like shitty, no joke. And on the other hand, it's for informational purposes, or, you know, anybody out there that is struggling also with a certain issue. So you should know what I'm talking about when I say it's a pretty shitty video. But I hope you enjoy all the videos on the channel. It takes hours and hours to edit. Like, I did a remodel on the bathroom, and it's literally I filmed 3 hours of footage, and I have to break that down to 3 hours. I mean, no less than 45 minutes I'm gonna have to, but I don't know. It takes a long time to edit. And editing for me is just editing out like the dead parts and then making sure, like, I don't know if it's allergies or whatever, but I sniffle a lot, and I try to edit a lot of the sniffles out, but there's still a lot that are in there. Like when it's cold, windy, allergies, this nostril will just like, it's constantly I'm sniffing it, and then also this eye, well, both eyes, but this eye will also just start like just pouring down my face. Like, I don't know. So, anyhow, this is the end of my vlog. Again, thank you for watching this video all the way through. Hope you enjoyed the lake, the sun, and the birds. Until next time, don't forget to like the video. Please turn on post notifications. And then again, if you wanted a shout out, post notification shout out, all you gotta do is comment done. not comment, or you can comment and then also put the word done. So, because not everybody wants to be shouted out. They just want to subscribe and they want to watch your content. So I need to know specifically which ones want to be shouted out, and so that's how. Okay? All right. Okay, guys, bye.